Developing a growth mindset, feedback and self-assessment. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our series on developing a growth mindset for English language learners. In this video, we are going to focus on using feedback and self-assessment to improve your language skills. Understanding and utilizing feedback, as well as conducting self-assessments, are crucial for developing a growth mindset and ultimately, becoming proficient in English. First and foremost, let's understand why feedback and self-assessment are so important. Feedback is information given to you about your performance. This could be from a teacher, a peer, or even yourself. Feedback helps you understand your strengths and areas for improvement. It gives you a clear direction on what you need to work on to improve. Self-assessment, on the other hand, is the process of evaluating your own performance. It involves reflecting on your work, identifying your own strengths and weaknesses, and setting goals for improvement. Self-assessment promotes self-awareness and encourages you to take responsibility for your own learning. Both feedback and self-assessment are essential for developing a growth mindset because they encourage you to view challenges and mistakes as opportunities to learn and grow. Now that we understand the importance of feedback and self-assessment, let's discuss some strategies to use them effectively. 1. Be open to feedback. Often, it's easy to get defensive or feel discouraged when receiving feedback, especially if it's negative. However, it's important to view feedback as a tool for growth rather than criticism. 2. Reflect on the feedback. Take time to think about the feedback you have received. What does it mean? How can you use it to improve? 3. Set specific goals. Based on the feedback and your self-assessment, set specific, achievable, and measurable goals for improvement. 4. Create an action plan. Develop a plan of action for how you will achieve your goals. This might include practicing more, seeking additional resources, or finding a study partner. 5. Monitor your progress. Regularly assess your progress towards your goals. Are you improving? Do you need to adjust your plan? 6. Seek feedback continuously. Don't wait for feedback. Actively seek it out. Ask your teacher, peers, or even yourself for feedback on your performance. Using feedback and self-assessment effectively is crucial for developing a growth mindset and improving your English language skills. Remember to be open to feedback. Reflect on it, set specific goals, create an action plan, monitor your progress, and continuously seek feedback. Thank you for joining me in this video. I hope you found these strategies helpful and I encourage you to start implementing them in your own language learning journey. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow. Happy learning!